Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make an amazing colorful salad with eggplant and broccoli, different colorful peppers and carrots. And for that we need to start with cutting down the eggplant into several layers and then cut it down into several other pieces, like as you see in the video. Repeat the same thing for all of the other ingredients. We can add a little bit of salt on the eggplant and go on with cutting down also the carrots into several layers, and the peppers. Of course, you can choose different colors of the peppers so that the salad will be more colorful and beautiful. Of course, cut it down into some layers as well. And whenever done, let's go on and cut down also the onion. This is a very easy recipe and very tasty, so just go on, and whenever you have finished with the onion, let's go on and start with the garlic. Cut it down as well. And the next one, it is the turn for broccolis. Make them a little bit smaller if you have the big ones. And all we have to do now is to cook them in the olive oil. Just add them one by one. At the beginning we can start with the garlic, onion and the carrots. And then whenever done, just take them out and put right into the place wherever you are going to mix the salad and get it ready. Whenever done, add the broccolis. You can use the same olive oil if you want. Add the broccolis there and take them out whenever ready. And you're going to repeat the same thing for all of the other ingredients that's said, with the pepper and with the eggplants and everything. Here it is. Do you see the colors? Do you love them? They are amazing, right? And now it is a turn for the eggplants. Take them out as well. It is now the turn for adding some salt, adding some red pepper, and sesame, which will give an amazing taste to the salad. Go on and mix it properly. You see how beautiful it is, right? And here it is, ready to be served and tasted. We hope you'll like it and you'll share it with your friends, and you will enjoy it, of course. Good appetite!